Everything's old and creepy. Huh. All right. Jesus. That door panel's seen better days. Ooh, it's got the scrolling indicator. That's a nice little touch. That leads into the dormitory, I think. Anyway. Oh, wow, wow. Look at that. Shaft lights are open. Or on. Open. Anyway. Dingy cab, as per the norm here. But I like it. The dingy cabs are neat. All right, we'll go down to 2. I don't want to spend too much time on this thing, because technically I don't think people are allowed, I don't think students are allowed on this. All right. Anyway, we'll watch it close up. And that's it.